Welcome! In this training video, you will be introduced to logging in and out of the repository. For training purposes, the URL that I keyed into my browser is the New Jersey State Police test website, which is newjerseytest.nibrs.com. Your URL to the New Jersey repository may be different. Your system administrator will give you the repository URL to use. Once you've entered that URL, you will see the New Jersey State Police banner in the middle and the logo to the left. Under the banner is the User Login Information section. This is where you'll enter your username and password. Both of these are set up and given to you by your system administrator. There are two items to note. First, regarding your username, it is not case sensitive. You can enter it in uppercase or lowercase letters. So I'm going to go ahead and put mine in now. As you can see, I did an uppercase S and an uppercase C, and I really didn't have to do that. I could have had them both lowercase. And second, your password is case sensitive. It must be entered exactly how it was created by the system administrator. Also, for FBI CJIS, which is Criminal Justice Information Services compliance, passwords are to be at least 12 characters in length. At least 2 characters must be uppercase, at least 2 must be lowercase, at least 2 need to be numeric characters, and 2 should be symbol characters. Before I log in, I want to tell you a little bit more. If I enter the password correctly, I will see the repository's home page. If not, a login failed message will appear. Each user receives 3 login attempts per login session to enter a correct username and password. And after that, the user will be locked out of the repository if given an inaccurate one, and the administrator will need to reset the password. Or, if the user has set up a challenge question, he or she will be able to click on the Forget Your Password link here at the bottom and be able to answer a challenge question. Challenge questions will be discussed in a separate video. For now, let's go ahead and log in. I'm going to click the green Login button. I was able to log in and get into the repository's home page. Now I'll show you how to log out. What you'll want to do is bring your mouse to the upper right-hand corner where you will see your information. If you click on it, it'll open up a little box here. It'll show your profile, resources, so on and so forth, but it also shows the log out option. If you click to log out of the repository, it will take you out. And what it does is it returns you to the login information section that you saw earlier. This concludes the training video on how to log in and out of the repository.